Hi, we checked Diepanzer beta model carpet washing machine in this video. Our beta models are generally preferred by professional carpet cleaning facilities. By the way, different size and feature options are available. For example, depending on the size of the mostly used carpets in your area, you can choose a model with a band width 270, 330 or 420 meters. Moreover, you can also choose the number of brushes that will be on the machine as an option. Carpet washing pool, carpet trolley and detergent tank are shipped with the machine. The panel with the electrical installation is located on the side of the machine. All products used are highest quality products that have proven their quality in the world. Safety and ergonomics are the most important priorities for the operator. There are two emergency stop buttons on the front and rear on the machine. All process can be observed 360 degrees with the windows on the sides, so all stains can be seen and they are vanished by the operator. Stainless steel is used in all metal parts that are in touch with the carpets and liquids on the band. In these places, there are parts such as pressing pipes, pipe shafts, and roller bearings. In the body of the machine, hot dip galvanized heavy chassis is preferred as 4 mm thickness. Best quality pieced conveyor bands with high strength are used in the machine. In this way, it will be enough to replace only one part of the band in case of a slip or cut. The units in the machine have pneumatic and sensor systems. High pressure quality and customization are provided by pneumatic systems. With the sensitive sensor systems, the unit where the carpet comes from starts to work automatically. By the way, there is also an electric pressure option instead of pneumatics. On the machine in this video, the control panel is an analog, but you can also choose it on a PLC touchscreen as an option. Manual and automatic usage options are available on the panel. For using automatic washing system, firstly units are activated that we wanna use. Then let's start the machine and leave the whole process to Diepanzer. Now let's take a look at it while washing the carpets. We wet the dust removed carpets by putting them in a pool first. Then we place the carpet on the band under the pressing pipes. You can also wet the carpets using the front water nozzles without soaking the carpets in the pool. Conveyor band speed can be adjusted between 0 and 6 meters per minute depending on the dirtiness of the carpet. Moreover, the band can be given forward and backward movement direction. While the wet carpets move on the band, first brushing group starts. In this group, detergent is given to the carpet through the nozzles. Carpet is scrubbed with detergents. Detergent is given automatically and with the time adjustment. Customization can be made. So, this saves 50% detergent. These brushes are manufactured from first quality bristles. In addition to this, each brush has its own special motor. In the second brushing unit, water is started to be given to the carpet and scrubbed with water. Both brushing groups have their own motors. In this way, these two brush units move separately. Having at least two brushing groups has many advantages in terms of both cleaning and speed. You can put more or reduce these units according to your cleaning capacity. The dirt was trapped in the detergent during the scrubbing process with disc brushes. In the process of brushing up and down movements with this unit, all the dirts are carried to the carpet surface and the carpet is fluffed. This brushing also removes the hairs easily in the carpet. The dirt was carried to the surface of the carpet with the rolling brush. Now we see the squeegee moving left and right and getting all dirts away from the carpet. The rinsing process is also worked with the water nozzles in the squeegee unit. With these movements, the rinsing process is also done with the water nozzles on the squeegee unit. In the final process, the rinsed carpets are turned into rolls to be put in the centrifuge. The down roller brush pulls the hairs and cleans the back of the carpet with up and down movements. In this way, while the carpet is rolled, the dirt such as small hair and bristles on the back surface of the carpet is cleaned with this unit. The carpet, which passes through all these processes, is now taken to the carpet spinning machine. That is the third step of cleaning. If you need carpet cleaning machine, Diepanzer is the right address. We offer high quality at the most affordable prices in our designs and models. Every day we improve ourselves, follow the industry and care about all feedbacks. Because we love this job. That's why the whole world will choose Diepanzer.